do you plead?
Not guilty.
Okay. And then we need to go ahead and give this gentleman a trial date. The question I got from you is that will you waive your right to a speedy trial?
Yes.
Okay.
Well, no, he's invoking his right to a speedy trial, Your Honor.
Oh.
And specifically, he's also pleading not guilty based upon reason of insanity. So I want to make that clear. Pursuant to statute, we have 21 days prior to trial to make that announcement. But it would be not guilty by reason of insanity.
Now, it was a video that took the internet by storm. Judge attacker Deobra Redden intends to use an insanity defense as he faces a slew of felony charges in relation to that brutal attack on a Las Vegas judge back in January. He is accused of battery and there's that flying again. It's incredible. Battery and attempted murder on Judge Mary Kay Holthus. Redden's defense attorney also say that they plan to invoke Redden's right to a speedy trial. All right, folks, it is time for today's Talk Back segment. Each day, we post a question on Court TV's social media pages. We gather your comments and questions, then respond right here on the show. Today, we asked you, will an insanity plea hold weight for Deobra Redden? All right, our next comment comes from Kathy. Kathy says, he was completely lucid moments before attacking her. Talk to me a little bit, David Bruno. This changes the dynamic. When you have an insanity defense, it changes the dynamic of these cases. And also the idea that you can be lucid in one moment and they may be insane the next.
I mean, and who's to say he was lucid, right? I mean, respect to the commenter, but at the same time, this is a difficult thing to just see. Mental health issues. It's gonna require a medical doctor to do an evaluation of him. There should be objective testing as well to see if he's malingering or not. And then how he behaved directly after is going to be very important too. I mean, that could go against the insanity factually, or maybe support it. But that's where the doctors come in, and that's really what's gonna. This case is going to rest on the testimony of the doctors. And it's funny, I think that attorney came in rather confidently into that. It was almost like a movie scene. Objection, Your Honor, not guilty by insanity. And then everyone looks at him, right? But yeah, it's going to be an interesting case. Superfly Jimmy Snookum is trying to go for the insanity defense.
Yeah, it certainly looked like the WWE in that courtroom on that day.